Welcome to Hard Chrome Solutions. We offer a full range of screw pump repairs on all sizes and models. We service all major brand names used across industries such as oil, gas, power, fuel, and more. We specialize in custom manufactured screws designed to OEM specifications, which we reverse engineer through our in-house engineering and design teams. Our capabilities also include repairing main bodies, housings, bearing fits, and shafts that have worn down due to damage, lack of preventive maintenance, or prolonged use. Our fully equipped machine shop includes in-house chroming, grinding, CNC 7-axis machining, welding, plasma coating, and laser cladding, allowing us to handle even the most complex overhauls. Our goal is to restore your pumps back to OEM specifications and ensure long-term performance and reliability. Call us at 908-342-9440 or 732-895-3225 and visit us online at www.hardchromesolution.com.